Hello, my name is Ramon Alvis Pinedo, and my code number is 225-09649.
Hi, I am Isabel Chavez Salvatierra, and my code number is UI2532975.
Hello, Isabel Chavez Salvatierra.
Hi, Ramon Alvin Pinedo.
How are you today?
Well, I am fine.
Do you mind if we talk about our free time activities?
No, I not. Let's betting. Do you like sport?
Yes, I do. I love playing soccer, and do you like sport?
No, I don't, but I enjoy always tennis.
And what do you like doing after class?
Well, I like listening to music for myself, or I enjoy listening to pop music and reggaeton. And what type of music do you enjoy listening to?
Well, I enjoy listening to rock music. I also like listening to romantic music. It is very relaxing.
I agree with you. What about video games? Do you like playing video games?
Yes, I do. And I love playing Fortnite. Fortnite, but I had playing Minecraft. Do you like video game?
No, I don't, but I enjoy reading. I love reading books. I Gabriel García Márquez.
But a great writer at fact you are at home. What do you love doing?
Well, I love going to the movies and using the computer. What about you? When you are at home, what do you enjoy doing?
Well, I enjoy surfing the internet and watching TV programs.
Very interesting thing. Do you love doing other free time activities?
Yes, I do. I love going to the gym. And do you love doing all other free time activities?
Yes, I do. I enjoy hanging out with friends. And what do you love doing on the weekend?
I love going to the beach in the morning. And finally, what are two things that you hate doing?
Well, I hate doing the laundry and getting up early. And what are do things that you dislike doing.
I don't like cleaning my bedroom and doing housework. Well, I am just talking to you.
Me too, I like this conversation. Let's talk again soon.
Yes, see you next time.